Hey guys, Trevor here with How To Apps. I'm going to show you today how you can turn on the location on Snapchat so that you can share your location with other people and they can see where you are and you can see where they are as well. So first of all, I've opened up Snapchat. First thing I'll do is I'll tap the little Bitmoji on the top left corner there. And then I'll tap the little settings button, the gear on the top right corner. And then you scroll down, it's right here, see my location, and it says only me currently. Click on that. And currently ghost mode is turned on. That means nobody can see where I am. I'm not sharing my location on Snapchat. I can go ahead and turn that off, and then I'll make sure to say yes, Snapchat can use my location while using the app. And then it'll ask me, turn off ghost mode, who can see me on the map? And in this case, I'll just say, okay, only my friends can see me. So this way my friends can see my location and where I am. And then right below that, under location requests, you can see that it says, allow friends to request my location so they can ask to see my location. And there you go. So people can see where you're at if they're your friends. Of course, you can change this at any point, and you can change the settings or just turn on ghost mode again if you don't want anybody to see your location again. Thanks, guys. Make sure to subscribe below.